Hi, this is Casey with Holiday Automotive. Today we're taking a look at a crystal red 2013 GMC Terrain SLE, stock number 18G638A. There are factory fog lights up front. The hood is in excellent shape. I do not see any noticeable scratches. There is an alloy rim that is wrapped in a 17-inch BF Goodrich Advantage tire. Inside, there's a black cloth upholstery with a red stitching, and that's in fantastic condition. You've got seating for 2 in the front row, and there is seating for 3 in the second row, making this a 5-passenger Terrain. We'll take a quick look down the passenger side. There is a backup camera here. Inside of the trunk is very clean. That second row seating folds into a 60-40 split, so that'll give you some extra space when needed. And the reason that I'm showing you this GMC today is because I would like for you to see all angles of this before you schedule your test drive or before we ship this out to you. On the driver's side door, you have your usual power amenities. There is a Pioneer premium audio system. You have power lumbar adjustments and carpeted floor mats. And as we take a step inside, if you'll give me just a moment, I'll turn the key. All right, on the left side of the steering wheel, you've got cruise control buttons. On the right-hand side, you have audio controls. Coming up to the rear view mirror, you can see that this is equipped with OnStar. And then down to the center, you've got this great touch screen display. This is where your backup camera will show. As you can see, you've got capabilities for XM satellite radio, Pandora radio, and Stitcher Smart radio. There is also a CD player and AM/FM radio. Coming down underneath of that, you have your climate controls. There are buttons for heated front row seating as well as vehicle information buttons. This is a 6-speed automatic transmission. You do have a 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine, which in highway mileage is going to get you around 32 miles per gallon. If you'd like to get more information on this GMC or to schedule your test drive, visit us at holidayautomotive.com. We will also receive a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. Again, that's holidayautomotive.com. My name is Casey, and thanks for watching.